I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them
as y'all can see here, you got UNKLOUD inside the 6-order enclosure here, trying to get the subwoofers out. And what happened was the gasket has stuck to the paint. You know, I guess after it's been in there so long, or maybe the paint wasn't dry long enough, or whatever the case was before they were installed. You never know, but either way, but I think it just does it over time. I'm not sure, but I had already unscrewed them, but they didn't want to come up off, so he was in here struggling with it and couldn't get it out. So I had to go back in there and climb my way in the box and then try to put a lot of pressure up against the motor of it to tilt them up to break the seal off the, not break, you know, make it come loose. So finally got that out, and went to the back, had to do the same process, and of course he pulled up some paint and stuff inside the enclosure, so I guess he gonna repaint that. But as y'all can see, he's still here struggling. I didn't get me in the enclosure on the video, didn't get around to that, but after he got out of there struggling with it, I went back in there and finished getting him on out of there. And then I struggled getting him out, and you know, about hurt yourself trying to get it out. You know how that is. But these subwoofers are definitely on the market. So I'm gonna upload this video here today. So if it's up, you know, they may be still available. He got a price on them as of right now, $1,200. That's 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 18s. Like I said, the price is so cheap, man. You won't lose no sleep, man. You know, that's what I'm saying. Like the reason I say that, you know, you spend that money, you won't lose no sleep about it. But you know, if you spend so much money, sometimes it might be on your mind. You can't even believe you spend so much, but it's so cheap, man. You won't lose no sleep about it. So, you know, as you can see right here, we got it out, and like I say, everything works perfectly. So, you know, if you need some subs, these 4 Brazilian Time Platinum 18 dual ones are available. So you can contact UNKLOUD731. You can contact me, and I'll get you in contact with them. Pay your own shipping or pick it up.
He said they ain't on sale, but they on sale. At the price you let them go for, you can't beat them. You got 4 Brazilian Sound Platinum 18 dual one. Y'all see, well, y'all can see the little stuff on the gasket. You can flip that over, or you can scrape it off, or however you prefer. But they're in perfect condition. Y'all see the inside right there. Motor's in good condition. Ain't no burned up coils or nothing like that. Y'all can see. So be sure to hit UNKLOUD731 on Instagram or Facebook. Internet right there, TikTok, UNKLOUD731, UNKLOUD Joy, just look that up, or contact me. We get in contact with them. You got a real good price on them. I'm talking about a price so low you can't say no. A price so cheap, you know, you put them somewhere you sleep, man. You won't even worry about it. That's how cheap it is. You know, I'm not lying. When I say cheap enough, man, I mean real cheap enough. When I say put them somewhere you sleep, you be so comfortable spending this money for these, man. You can't find it nowhere. You can't buy a set of 12-inch subwoofers. You can't buy 4 12-inch subwoofers for the price of what he charging you for these. So, you know, you might could, you know, depending on what you're buying. But I'm just saying, you know, for the value he giving you with these, you won't be able to beat it. So, y'all be sure to hit him up on the inbox. I'm gonna go ahead and post this video now while it's still available, so that way, you know, everybody got a fair chance. You know, if that's something you're interested in, you know, it's pick up only, or pick up at SMALLRIG, or if you want to arrange some meeting, you know, halfway, or meeting or delivery, or however you want to do it, or shipping on the buyer's dime. It may be cheaper to ship them to you, because sometimes you can ship them for on a pallet or something. You never know. Or I mean, you know, but shipping is high right now, so you might want to work that out another way. Shipping is kind of outrageous and things of that nature. So it's really better to maybe pick them up or arrange something. So whatever, you know, you may be okay with spending the shipping price. Like I said, the price that you're getting them at, you ain't gonna be mad about it. So be sure to hit me up. Y'all see right here, UNKLOUD731 on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You type that in, you better contact him or contact me, and we'll get in with him, and he can arrange the deal, and y'all can make it happen. Y'all see y'all back on the next one. Y'all stay tuned to see what he got coming.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.